I haven't made any thank you for donation videos in a long time. Back in 2018 I started my YouTube channel, and about, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 months later I started getting donations, and in the late 2018, early 2019 I made a lot of thank you for donation videos because I was happy, some nice donations, and I want to share the donations, have it on YouTube, and also show that I'm thankful, because it's a great feeling. It's great to get these computers, restore them so they get new life instead of they just get thrown out. But some of the comments I got from these donation videos, thank you for donation videos, I mean 99% of them was just pure positive happiness. But that 1%, I got some negative comments, I got some negative mails, and when I get negativity I don't even want to answer them. I don't want to go down that road, but some of the negative mails made me don't want to make a thank you for donation videos anymore. And it was mails like, man, I'm gonna make a YouTube channel so I can get all the donations. You don't deserve the donations. I'm gonna make a channel. I have had a YouTube channel for a year. Why don't I get contacted and all that? I don't answer mails like that. And by all means, I mean, make a YouTube channel. If you want to do it just to get donations, go ahead and do so. I'm not gonna stop you. Do whatever you want to do, and I wish you the best of luck, positivity and happiness. Do whatever you want to do. I just don't want to get involved with that kind of negativity. But today, guys, I got this and I just have to make a video because this story behind it is just, it's an interesting story. Yeah, the hardware is great also, but I got contacted about 2 months ago by a guy that said he had a couple of AMIGAs. That was it. A couple of AMIGAs. If I was interested in buying them. And I said that I had a huge collection, so I was not interested, but we have something like Craigslist here in Denmark. I just put it out there and you can sell it easily. And he said, all right. Today I got mail and he said he lives about 3 or 4 hours ride from me. Today he said his colleague was working at a construction site about, it was about 20 minutes from me. He got the AMIGAs. If I want to have them, I could drive down to that address, give him a couple of beers and pick up those 2 AMIGAs. A couple of AMIGAs, he didn't say 2, couple of AMIGAs he said. And if I didn't pick it up, then there were a big dumpster at his workplace and he would just, you know, throw everything out. Guys, I panicked. I don't want to buy, you know, few AMIGAs. If it's a big collection, I buy it. Yes, but few AMIGAs, I'm not interested. But when he said that they will just be thrown out, I was like, no, no. And I have a couple of hours off, so I said, all right, I will buy some beers and I will pick up the AMIGAs. And this is what I got. Couple of AMIGAs, as I can see. I mean, they were just like this. As you can see, we have Commodore 64 over there. Condition, I don't know. If they work, I don't know. I mean, this is just crazy. So first of all, we got an AMIGA 500 in a box, and as you can see, it's got the PSU, yeah, the computer, a mouse, TV modulator, the A501, oh that's, and the 520 manual. So this one, that's for the memory expansion. So I'm pretty sure there's some battery leakage in this one, so it requires some work, but nice boxed AMIGA, beautiful. The first bag here we have a We have the mouse. We have some joysticks here. This one's actually great to play with, guys. It's called Cruiser. So the great part about this one is actually you can, is there any indications? No. But you can actually lift this. Yeah, you can lift it and turn it. Now it's got more, what's it called? It's harder to move, more resistance. And you can lift it and turn it again. Yeah, now it's really hard. All right, that's a nice one. I like that one. But it doesn't have auto fire, so that's a bummer, guys. We have this one, the arcade. Real nice to play with, no auto fire. And in the back we have a... Sorry, I'm geeking about the extra thing. I love the computers, but I just love the, you know, getting some stuff that I don't have on YouTube. These cheap joysticks, they're from the Commodore 64 era. They are really, really bad to play with, guys. We have a Commodore 64 Model C. That's nice. We have a Commodore 64 again, a bread bin model, I think. Yeah. Nice. Let's check out the other back here. My favorite joysticks, guys. My favorite joysticks. Okay, these ones. Oh my goodness. When they're all dead, and when they have been played a lot, they're blank up here, but this one is nice. It's got auto fire. It's called the Zip Stick. Really love that one. Another arcade. I mean, these should just be thrown out, guys. Another Zip Stick. Oh yes. The arcade. Nice, nice, nice. Another arcade. A Competition Pro. They're also popular. A lot of PSUs down here. Oh, smells of smoke. These are going to my friend's place. I'm not gonna have it in my home. I don't smoke and I hate that smell. So, ew! I'm gonna pack it in a flash. Okay. Oh. Yeah. We've got some discs down there. More smoky smell. Oh, we got a PSU. Do we have any joysticks? No. Yes, we have another zip. What? Oh. Wow, look at this. This is the first time. This is interesting. Wow. Okay, so I only know about these zip sticks with auto fire and yellow buttons. This is the first time I see. Oh, they're lighter. This one has red buttons and no auto fire. That's bad, guys. But nice. It's a zip stick. Beautiful. Okay, so discs, a modulator again. Oh, we have some more Commodore 64. This joystick is the joystick I grew up with my Commodore 64, and I actually went through all the, was it 32 or 36 levels of Gianna Sisters with this joystick. That was just what I had. Another one of them. Another zip. Oh, what's this? You know what, guys? I think this is for the, do you remember Voodoo cards, Voodoo 2? I think it's for that. I'm not sure. Yeah, another joystick down there, and two Commodore 64s. You can see just the bread bin model, gray and white. Yeah, a lot of PSUs. Nice. Over here, a boxed Commodore 64, and it's the it's the C model. It's nice. And here we have a, let me see if it's the standard. Yeah, it's the Commodore AMIGA 500, and not the Plus version. And inside we have Dogs of War. Great game, man. I love that. Amazing two-player game. Condition, I don't know. We have not the Plus, another AMIGA 500. Look at this. This is probably maybe revision 5, and this is the 6A. That's nice. And here we have another one. Maybe revision. These one can be revision 5 or 6, but this is probably the latest one, revision 6. After this one, the Plus revision, and also oh, this one can also be the 8A. That's nice if it's that one. Don't know, guys, but I have to. One of the bags with the joystick, they smell of smoke. So yeah, I will just first thing I will do is just remove the batteries. This one has, if they have RAM expansion, they have batteries. I will remove that. I actually have a friend that picks up all those leaked battery expansions. I don't want to have nothing with them. He picks them up for free and he restores and does his magic and sells them on eBay, AMIGA and all that. Great guy. So he's gonna get them, and these are going to my friend's place because of the smell. I don't want them in my home, but still, if I didn't pick them up, they were thrown out. But I mean, he could just put these up on sale, some 1,000 Danish kroners, and they would be picked up in a flash, guys. But I don't know, some people just don't want to bother. I mean, it's peanuts, I mean, but still, us retro nerds, this is not about the money. It's just as soon as I wrote that, he said if you don't pick it up, he will just put it in the dumpster. Wow, man, it just the idea of it would just be devastating. And when I picked it up from his friend, he was like, "What is this?" I mean. And I said they're just 30-year-old computers, and he said, "Man, when I have 2-year-old Mac, I just throw it out and buy new. Why in the hell do you want to pick up 30-year-old computer?" I said, it's just hard to explain. It's just some retro love. And he said, "Oh, just like American cars." I said, "Yeah." Then he knew what I was talking about. That was great. All right, guys, I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. I'm gonna tell it right now again. If you want to make a YouTube channel to get donations, go ahead and do so, and some other negative stuff. If you have those thoughts, don't write them to me. I mean, say it to a friend or something like that. I don't want to listen to that. All the other guys, positive thoughts. Nice that these are being saved instead of being thrown out. Write to me. Share the happiness. I mean, this is just great. Until next time, check out some other videos. Have a great day, guys. Bye.